In Buddhism, this is a very popular concept, middle way, which means it's not this side or that side, it's just here. You don't get reactive, you just stay there. In this video, we are going to focus on 3 things: why your manifestation is not working, what is stopping you from manifesting, and what is the solution. And the solution that took me years to realize. So let's just first talk about conscious mind and unconscious mind. Even though our mind is complex and it's a very broad topic, but just for the sake of this video, we're going to divide the mind into conscious and unconscious mind. So most of the time what I see with people, that when we are manifesting, we are mostly trying to be positive. We are trying everything consciously. We are being mindful. We're trying to focus on the positive. And that is most of the time is through our conscious mind. But we are not conscious all of the time on a day-to-day basis. So with our conscious mind, we can try to be mindful. We can focus on the positive. We can think positive thoughts. But as long as we are not aware about the unconscious, that's why the name unconscious mind, we will not be able to manifest. And the reason is most of our beliefs and our memories, our conditioning is saved in our subconscious mind. And subconscious mind is most of the time on autopilot. So even when we try to make a conscious effort to be mindful, to focus on the positive, to be in the present, unconsciously, we're gonna keep going back to our subconscious mind, which means if our past beliefs are limiting us, for example, if you are trying to manifest something and your beliefs are not in alignment with the manifestation of this goal that you want, it's not going to help you manifest that, because most of the time you're operating from autopilot. And that's why it's so important to first become aware of the unconscious. And how we can do that? The best thing and the simple way, which is completely free, is by meditating, by sitting in silence for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, every single day. So no matter how many times you use affirmations, that's why a lot of people say affirmations don't work for them, or manifestation is not working for them. They are not seeing any result from meditation. They've been trying everything under the sun, but not able to manifest. And that's the reason that they are not becoming aware of these patterns, these limiting beliefs, these thoughts, in the way they are behaving, because everything is on autopilot. So we have to become conscious of our unconscious. And your unconscious mind is going to ask you questions like, when will it happen? How will it happen? You will not fully trust the universe. You will not fully trust the big plan. The plan that is bigger than your plan. You know, if you want to manifest, let's say, $10,000, you don't know that you might manifest $100,000 or $50,000, because we limit ourselves, because we are operating from this limited reality, limited identity. So in order to change that, the first step is to become aware. Self-awareness is the key, and that comes through meditation. It comes through by asking those tough questions. It comes through by accepting our flaws. It comes through by accepting ourselves. Even the truth is not pleasant, because when I know that there is something that I am doing that is not in alignment with my future manifestation, if I won't accept that, if I would not accept that I need to improve my skills, I will not be able to manifest that, because I'm not even coming to terms with the truth. And when you start focusing on yourself, maybe you have some habits that you need to let go of. Maybe there are few people that you're hanging out with and they're just keeping you in the same reality. You might have to limit your interaction with those people. You might have to learn something new. You might have to change the content that you watch on a day-to-day basis. Maybe you need to watch similar content like this so that you can become more self-aware. You can be more in alignment with your future identity, because your future reality and your future identity is different. It's different from today's reality, because if it was same, you wouldn't have been watching this video. You've been watching a different video that probably in that future you would want to manifest something more in the post future. I don't know if that's the word. So if right now nothing is working for you and you feel stuck, that means First, you're not in the present. You're too much in your head. You are letting your unconscious, your subconscious, your old patterns, your limiting beliefs control your life. It's like an operating system. This is your operating system. It's probably your goal has Windows, I don't know, 13 or 12, but the operating system that you have is probably Windows 98. It's not going to support the softwares that you're trying to install in Windows 98. It's never going to do that. So you need to maybe upgrade your software. You might also want to see that if there are some parts of your hardware that you need to maintain. That means maybe taking care of your health, your mind, your habits, your lifestyle. But the only thing that you want to do for the next 7 days is to come back to the present. Try to stay in the present. And if you just decide that I'm going to be in the present, it's not going to happen because your unconscious is going to take control over your intention. So how are you going to do that? You're going to meditate. You have to set an intention. You have to know your why you want to meditate. You want to meditate because you want to manifest that future reality. You want to manifest those sweet, sweet dreams. So when your why is strong, you are going to sit for meditation. You are going to learn about meditation. And when you sit with your thoughts, you become aware of your thoughts. Not only the good thoughts that you are, when you're conscious, you know that you did affirmations, you put out this positive vibration, which is again great, but you will also become aware of the times when you are being negative. But it is so on autopilot that you don't even know. After 10 minutes or after 5 minutes, then you suddenly find out why I'm thinking this thought. You were just creating this reality that doesn't even exist, which is not in alignment with your future identity. And when you become aware of your thoughts, good, bad, positive, negative, in meditation, there is no good or bad. You kind of find the middle way. In Buddhism, this is a very popular concept, middle way, which means it's not this side or that side. It's just here. You don't get reactive. Either it's a good thought, you don't try to chase that thought. If it's a negative thought, you don't try to pull it away. You just stay there. You just stay in that observing mode. And from that moment, and from that point, that present moment, you create your reality. Then you start gathering information. Then you start focusing, moving your awareness on the things that are more in alignment with your future reality and less on the things that are keeping you away from that reality. Things can be easy when you have more space in your mind. When you can bring your mind to that sweet spot, which is that silence, you become a powerful manifester. I created a playlist called Guided Meditations. I'll leave the links here or in the description, or you can just simply go to my channel and listen to one of the meditations, because this is going to help you to be in the present. It will also help you to connect with that future. And if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you would hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel, because this really helps me reach a wider audience. Keep manifesting.